activate.
Away we go. Both weapons up to speed from the get-go. Servo drive, the undercutter spinning away. Shredding. Torx. Slam into the wall though by Torx. Torx's weapon up to speed as well.
Yes, Beckhoff's servo drive, that kind of wide grip
Stance.
that it's got there.
Yeah, the stance is great. Almost out of the arena there via the weapon of Torx. And a wheel has come
Oh,
off.
wheel off! Oh no! Servo drive is lost! Oh!
Carnage.
Oh my word! Oh, and look, Torx already giving a lovely gyro dance in victory. I mean, we'll count them. We'll give them a 10-second countdown. Is it worth it?
I think they're done. The
I
wheels
think
have come
they're
off. There's no signs of life here from Servo Drive. Your winner in a matter of seconds was Torx.
From Xometry, give it up please for Torx, your winner.